In this video, I'll reveal a simple yet effective scalping strategy that works every single day.
This right here is the backtest of the most popular trading strategy in 2025 that was set to work every single day. You have probably heard about DataTrader, who has almost 1 million subscribers and has many videos about how easy it is to make money with rules so simple everyone can understand them. In this video, I will show you my backtest results and they will tell you a different story. I will also show you how you can test it for yourself if you don't believe me. Let's jump right into it. Before we start, I have nothing against DataTrader personally. I will only backtest the rules exactly as he explained. If it works, I will be the first one to admit it. Coming back to the strategy, let me tell you about the trading logic. We have to take the first 4-hour candle of the day using the New York time zone and mark the high and the low. Let's call the low level support and the upper level resistance. Support is basically a floor where price often bounces up, and the resistance is a ceiling where price often bounces down. Now the strategy is the following. If a 5-minute candle closes below the support level and then the price goes up and it closes above the support level, we have a buy signal. For the sell signal, we need the price to break above the resistance and then close below it again. The stop loss is the swing high or low, which means the highest high reached above the resistance or the lowest low below the support if we take a buy trade. The take profit is simply 2 times the stop loss. That's the strategy explained under a minute. And I know this sounds exciting at first because I used to think like this too. When I started trading, I saw simple rules like this and I thought to myself, why isn't everyone just using this strategy? But then I tested them and I saw that it was nothing like the video made it look like. I've programmed this exact logic in MQL5 to backtest it to see how this strategy would have performed in the past, and here are the results. First we wait for the range to form, and after that we mark the support and resistance levels. Then here the price broke above the range and went back inside. I took a trade exactly how it was recommended. Now here it made a profit. Moving forward, we see that there are many losing trades. The video does not mention how badly this strategy can perform in ranging markets. There are many false signals, one trade closes in a loss, then the system gives another signal and that one can also lose. Sometimes it happens 3 times within an hour. Now I don't want to hide the results, so the code is made public and you can view it on the MQL5 CodeBase with the link in the description below. At the end of the video, I will show you the exact steps it takes to test it for yourself. Now to be transparent, there was one vague rule in the video that I did not follow. The original video was vague about the order block rules.
After it traded below for a while, it then closed back inside, which means technically this is a valid long setup. Now, since the breakout was too large, we couldn't place the stop loss at the lows. Instead, we can use the nearest key level. In this case, there was an order block here, which we can use to set our stop loss. We then set a take profit at 2 times risk.
Order block is basically a fancy name people use for a zone where price moved strongly from. The problem is this: the rules are not exactly clear. So 2 people can draw it in 2 different ways. To give the strategy the best possible chance, I replaced that subjective rule with a strict time filter of 75 minutes to avoid overextended moves. That means if the price stayed outside the range for too long, I simply skip that trade. Now let's see the backtest results. In the video it was said that it works for all markets, but 3 specific instruments were mentioned. So we need to test it for Bitcoin, EURUSD and gold. Let's see how it performs on Bitcoin. That's right. This is the strategy claimed to work every single day. In my backtest, it lost the full account in less than 3 years. But surely it will perform better on gold, right? Not really. On gold, it had a win rate of 28%. So it does not look like a strategy that works every single day. It's not just not good, my backtest shows that this is a fast way to lose money. Let's see the results for EURUSD. Now this went better than expected. With an initial lot size of 0.1 lots using the 10K account, it did not lose all of our money, only about half of it. So the pattern is clear. When the market is choppy and goes sideways, this strategy can get hit again and again. It looks clean on paper, but in real price action, it can be brutal. Now, as I've said before, you should not believe me. You should not believe anyone who talks about trading. If a strategy sounds too good to be true, it's probably not true. But don't take my word for it. Here is how you can test it if you have the MetaTrader on your PC. Go to the code on MQL5 using the link in the description. Then download the MQ5 file or MQ4 file if you're using MT4. And after that, copy and paste the source code into your terminal's expert folder. Then open the file and compile it. After that, you will be able to see it in your strategy tester. You have to then specify your broker's GMT offset because we need to calculate the first 4 hours of the New York time. GMT offset is just the time difference between your broker time and the Greenwich Mean Time. You also have to specify when your broker switches from winter time to summer time and vice versa. If that's done, you can simply click Start and you will see the results for yourself. If you want to check whether the EA is following the same logic, just open the visual mode. Here, the support and resistance levels will be displayed once they are formed, and you will be able to see the trading logic. You can reduce the speed to see exactly what is happening. If you take away anything from this video, let it be this. Be careful with trading videos that promise easy money with simple rules. If you have watched this far, let me introduce myself. I'm Peter, and I have been developing software for MetaTrader for about 5 years now. Since I started trading, I realized that there is no holy grail strategy available for the public, and now I feel obligated to share my results with you. Now that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried a simple strategy from YouTube? Did it work for you or did it fail? And if you watched DataTrader's video, do you think my test is fair? Also, let me know in the comments below which trading guru's strategy should I test next. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.
Come and get banged. I mean, you never get you was my bad emotion. Cooking up with a booze. My niggas